Here's the update on the tree I promised. I'm a bit late, but I got distracted with Boo being a community guidelines violation, which he's now innocent of. But the tree, as you can see, is still standing. It's very weathered. I don't know how it's still standing. It's defying all kinds of gravity. It's very weird. Let's have a look around the other side. Let's go around. As you can see, it's pretty gnarly. The woodpeckers are still going, having a go at it. And I will post how many days we're on. We're on over 400 and something. It must be 460 something, but I'll post their exact date on here. It's all the way down the bottom. They've been chewing it up. In fact, let's just go and have a look around the other side. On the other side, you can see that they've had a real good nosh all the way down, and it's got these gnarly bits where they've chewed it all the way, right the way down the base. It goes all the way up to the top. One day it's going to come crashing down, but it's like paper mache. It's very soft wood. I don't know how it's stayed up, because there's no strength to it. But anyway, there we go. So there's your update. I'll post what day we're on when I post this in a second.